No matter how much we practice English, but some problems like mother tongue influence or pronunciation issues or mumbling while speaking in English don't go away easily. And in English, there are no such rules to follow to overcome these problems except working on them and practicing them regularly. Hi, my name is Vineeta Chaudhary, and in today's video, I have 25 words that you might be mispronouncing. So watch this video till the end to see those words, to check the correct pronunciation of these words so that you can speak clearly and confidently. So let's get started. First word is Wednesday. Wednesday, not Wednesday, it's Wednesday. And if you notice carefully, I have divided these words into syllables so that you can understand their pronunciation clearly. And I have highlighted the stressed syllable here in the capital letters so that you can understand where to stress. So this is Wednesday, not Wednesday. Next word is career. Career, not career. Career is a different word. This one is career. Career opportunities, job opportunities. It is related to that. Now next word is photography. Photography, not photography. Some people call it photography because of this word. This is photograph. Here first syllable is stressed, photograph. But in this word, it is photography. Second syllable is stressed. I can say my friend has great photography skills. Now there is a word from the same family, that is photographer. Photographer, not photographer, no confusion, it's photographer. I want to hire a great photographer for my birthday party, not photographer, photographer. Second syllable is stressed. Now next word is celebrity. Celebrity, not celebrity. Again the confusion happens because of this word. It is celebrate, but this is not celebrity. It's celebrity. Here the second syllable is stressed. Who is your favorite celebrity, not who is your favorite celebrity. And for the clarity, I have written both the words together so that you can see the difference clearly. Celebrate, celebrity. Now next word is natural. Natural. It is not natural, no. Natural. This is nature, correct? But it is not natural. It's natural. For example, natural beauty. Not natural beauty, it's natural. Now next word is national. Same concept, national, not national. This is nation, but this word is national, not national. National anthem, not national anthem. Now next word is says. Says, not says. This is say, correct? But it is not says, it's says. He says that, she says that. Next is vegetable, not vegetable. No, E doesn't count here. Vegetable. If you are going to the market, please get some fresh vegetable, not fresh vegetable. Vegetable. Now next word is comfortable. Comfortable. Again no comfortable, is comfortable. First syllable is stressed here. Comfortable, not comfortable. Comfortable chair, comfortable clothes. So this is comfortable, not comfortable. Next word is my favorite, restaurant. Restaurant, and it is commonly mispronounced as restaurant. I know the spelling is like restaurant, but this is English. It's restaurant, not restaurant. On weekends, I like to explore new restaurants. Now next word is almond, not almond, almond. I love to eat soaked almonds in the morning. I love to eat soaked almonds in the morning, not almond. Next is pizza, pizza, not pizza. It's pizza, not pizza for sure. It's pizza. Slightly you have to use this t. So last night I was feeling hungry, so I ordered pizza, pizza, not pizza or pizza. Now next word is cupboard, cupboard. First syllable is stressed here, not cupboard or cupboard. It's cupboard. This is cupboard. Please close the cupboard, not cupboard. Next is coupon. Many people say it coupon, but you can correct, it's coupon. Please apply coupon to get 25% discount. So it is coupon, not coupon. Now next word is dessert, dessert. It is not desert. Desert is different. This one is desert. This is dessert. It is desert. If you see the difference, here first syllable is stressed. In this case, second syllable is stressed. Dessert, desert. Now next word is women. Not woman, it's women. First syllable is stressed. Woman, no, it's not correct. And this one is woman. Woman, not woman or woman. So it is singular. Singular is woman. Plural is women. So I hope you have cleared your confusion about these two. Women's Day, not Women's Day. It's women and woman. Now next word is genre. Genre, not genre. I love to watch movies and my favorite genre is comedy, not genre, genre. Next is bowl, bowl, not bowl, no. Maggie bowl, popcorn bowl, not bowl please. Now next word is conversation, conversation, not conversation. Many people mispronounce it and they say conversation. No, it's conversation, conversation. Here third word is stressed, third syllable is stressed. And I like to have great conversations. And next word is executive, executive, not executive. No, this is executive. Second syllable is stressed here. And now second last word is heart, 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 not hurt. I have heard few people saying it hurt. No, it's heart, heartbreak. Now last word is accept, accept, not accept. No, it is accept. Please accept my friend request. So it's accept, not accept. So these were 25 words from my side that you might be mispronouncing. If not, then good. If yes, then there is no punishment for it. It is just when we see we don't know correct English, then our confidence starts shaking. So I am just helping you with your confidence. And I hope you will be able to use them correctly in your conversations. And thank you so much for watching this video till the end.